I make it a habit to completely clean my face at night to take all of the dirt and oil off of my face from the day. That way, when I go to bed, you're not really sweating, you're not really out in any kind of dust or dirt. So when I wake up in the morning, I just refresh. I don't necessarily always deep cleanse again in the morning. So I wanted to demonstrate how to use our lavender water or rose water, multi-use product. It is used as a toner, which means it delivers some antioxidants and herbal ingredients to your skin, brings your skin to pH balance. It's extremely clean floral water. So if you're just waking up, you can take your rose water or lavender water and just spritz your skin to kind of look like and feel like you just got out of the shower and it's like damp dry. And then to use your face and body oil, about a half a teaspoon or a teaspoon, depending on how dry your face is, and work it in over the floral water. The floral water will help the oil spread more, and it will also, once it starts to absorb, it leaves your skin drinking in the oil. It's a fantastic feeling. All right, so there you go. That's a demo of using the lavender water and then applying the face and body oil for daily hydration.